Welcome to Powertech Insights. In this tutorial, I will provide a comprehensive guide on fault finding and troubleshooting for a three-phase AC generator alternator part for the Exciter Rotor. Let's get started. Safety precautions. To ensure safety, always verify proper grounding before testing. Use PPE to protect yourself, including gloves and safety glasses. Ensure that all safety protocols are in place, such as lockout-tagout and PTW procedures. These tests should only be carried out by qualified and/or experienced engineers who have received safety training on live equipment. All test instruments and their leads, connectors, probes must be checked to ensure that they are suitable for the voltage levels being tested and are in good working order. Never attempt to test a live generator without another competent person present to shut down the engine or switchgear as necessary. Ensure that the work area is safe. Other personnel in the area are advised of what you are doing. Warning notices and tapes are displayed to advise others of the hazards. Required equipment and tools. Digital multimeter for measuring voltage, resistance, and continuity. Clamp meter for measuring AC/DC current without disconnecting wires. Megger insulation resistance tester to check the insulation resistance of windings. 12-volt DC battery to excite the stator rotor. In this video, we will provide a comprehensive guide on fault diagnosis for the Exciter Rotor. Let's get started. Possible symptoms of an Exciter Rotor failure. If the generator is still able to produce voltage, the D/C excitation across the exciter-stator terminals will be higher than normal. With a self-excited AVR system, the AVR may be unable to build up voltage on startup from residual magnetism. With a PMG-powered AVR, a winding short may cause repeated tripping of the high excitation protection circuit on load. A winding fault is usually a short circuit across one or two phases, possibly as a result of two diodes shorting across one phase group. When separately excited with a 12-volt battery, the voltage will be lower than normal. Fault finding and testing the exciter rotor. Stop the generator set and disconnect the battery. Follow lockout-tagout, LOTO procedure. Visual inspection is required. Any winding or insulation damage is usually visible on the exciter rotor end windings, burnt or blackened coils. Check the exciter rotor winding resistance against correct values in the generator O and M manual, using a multimeter across the rotor 3 phases U, V, and W. A low resistance bridge is required to accurately measure values below 0.5 ohm. The correct resistance figures are given in the operation and maintenance manual supplied with the generator. The next tests are to check the main rotor windings. In next video, we're going to check the main rotor. Please stay tuned. Warning: always ensure that testing should be conducted by qualified personnel familiar with protection systems, and that all safety procedures are strictly followed. Attempting these without proper training and safety precautions can result in serious injury or death. Do not try this at home or without the necessary expertise. Powertech Insights is not responsible for any harm or damage caused by improper handling of electrical systems. Stay safe. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert tutorials. See you in the next video.